Hi, I'm Lori Fangio with Around the Table, and I'm a food blogger and chef instructor. And today I'm in the kitchen showing you a classic family dinner, broccoli rice casserole. It's going to be simple and satisfying. So let's get started with our broccoli rice casserole. I have brown rice, cream of mushroom soup, some onion powder, broccoli that's already been steamed, and chicken that's already been cooked and cubed. And all I'm going to do is just assemble the ingredients. Now my brown rice I cooked in chicken stock because I really like the way chicken stock flavors the rice. It just gives it, some nice flavor. And I use slow cooking brown rice, but you can always use fast cooking brown rice. It has the same amount of fiber, which is, what I think you're trying to think about when you're using brown rice is you want, a high fiber dish. But I was surprised to learn that quick cooking rice has just as much as slow cooking. But I still use the old-fashioned method. And I like to have some onion flavor, but I don't want raw onion in here, so that's why I'm using onion powder. So to this, I'm going to add my broccoli that's already been steamed, but it's still a little crispy. I mean, I don't cook my broccoli until it's, really soft because I like there to be big chunks of broccoli. And then I've got one breast of chicken that I've cut into cubes that I've added in my bowl. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, but lots of pepper. So I really want that pepper flavor. And then I'm just going to mix this up and put it in my casserole dish. I'll sprinkle the top with lots of shredded cheddar cheese, and then we'll finish this off in the oven, and we'll put it in the oven at 350 degrees until the cheese is brown and bubbly. And when it comes out of the oven, you'll have a classic family dinner. And again, I'm Lori Fangio, and we've been in the kitchen making a classic family recipe, broccoli rice casserole. Take a little time to make dinner for your family and get them around the table. You'll be glad you did.